about the storm.
So where is...
So they closed the park and we're just sitting here.
Something's wrong when you
standing here under this cabana because didn't he finna rain on us?
Yo. Just as quick as we arrived, we're leaving.
We're already leaving.
Because the thunder is here, the storm is coming. Every time it thunders, it resets 30 minutes until you can go into the water, and it keeps thundering. So we're out of luck.
We're going to Disney Springs,
downtown Disney,
with like Disney Quest and stuff, which is cool.
So,
But our money is wasted.
because we couldn't go to the water park.
We'll update later.
See you later.
Bye, Blizzard.
Peace out.
We're at Disney Quest.
Oh yeah, we're in Disney. We're in a ride right now. We're about to start.
Astro Blaster is really cool.
We're about to beat everyone.
She's driving, I'm the gunner, so I'm gonna shoot everyone.
Yeah. Mambo, mambo, mambo. We're accident and literally popped it.
Got this cute new helmet.
Hey guys, we're in the Aladdin
We're in the Aladdin.
Magic Carpet John, and we have these cool helmets on. We're with Kate. This is Kate. We're with Kate. Hey guys, we're at Aladdin. I mean, we're at a ride that floats. Hey guys, we're at a ride. I don't know the name of it, but it floats and you like. Oh. Descriptive. Oh.
Got a paddles.
We're going to be fossils ourselves.
We died.
Watch your step.
We died. We did terrible.
No, we died.
We didn't make that. So that's fake.
We're terrible.
Yeah, I know. I feel like it feel better about myself.
That was the worst thing.
Constant flash.
I'm blinded.
On our way to our next adventure.
Yes, we are going
to World of Disney. So hopefully we can find it because I think it's a far walk away.
But we're gonna get our steps in for the day. Alright.
What are you yelling for? You're screaming out your lungs all day and night. I can't control a girl like you. She need a Saturday away from home to drink more champagne. I can't mold a girl like you in all designer to remind you.
Jenna, I'm really slipping multiple times. Oh, I slipped again. I know.
I keep hearing like these little slippies.
Oh hey, we keep slipping.
Yo, I even got it on, like, probably not me like slipping, like actually, but I was just like,
I kept hearing, and I was like, Bree?
I think we keep going. It's so pretty.
So pretty.
Guess where we made it?
Yeah. Yeah. We made it to World of Disney.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I need a grip on somebody.
We need to hold it so you don't fall.
Because I keep tripping. looking for?
What
We needed a medium.
Look. Oh, we need a medium.
It's very cute. So now we're in line again. So I'm sad. There's no
We
medium.
found a hoodie we like, but we need mediums. They don't have our size.
Now we're looking some more. If it ain't Jenna and this. I love stuffed animals. I love me my stuffed animals. First start of the day.
It starts storming and Blizzard Beach gets shut down.
Yeah.
Now we wait for a bus for an hour that doesn't show up. Then we take another bus. Then we get our day figured out and we come to Disney Springs.
It continues to rain.
Continues to rain. Then no size that we want.
Yo,
None.
this day
Zippo.
couldn't get any worse. Like, what next?
The worst day of my life.
I've been slipping non-stop. Soon I'm gonna fall on my butt.
Now we look like giant trash bags.
Really, I look like a duck.
Look like
You look like a Smurf. Duck and Smurf take on Disney.
Durf.
Smurf. Durf. Okay, Durf. We should have gotten our bracelets to say Durf instead of Mambo.
Bamboo, it's Durf.
We're gonna go back to that same guy and ask him.
We're gonna be like, all right, change your plan. We're Durf now.
And he's gonna ask the story behind that one this time.
Oh.
Yo, I'm just waiting for the next something. I'm waiting for the next problem to happen, and then
We're waiting the problems.
like watch me slip like right now.
If you slip on camera, I would probably die.
Have. Okay, well,
All right, I guess that's it for now.
sadness. Ah! Bye. What can make me feel this way, my girl?
My voice cracked. Talking about
My girl, my girl. Da, da. I like to invade their room. What the?
What the? Who's calling me? I don't like people. Hello? Hello?
Oh shit! Oh God! What the? What is she doing?
Wait, but you can use all of it. Because I'm using it too, and I think she is too.
Hi, I'm David Joyner. I played
I don't, I use my finger. Yeah, that's like big left.
Hey! Oh.
Well, the lid came off.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
You look so cute.
Thank you.
Kate. She's not ready.
Damn.
Jenna? Oh, okay. Okay. Now we're leaving.
Wants to feature trooper about a male subject that's repeatedly been driving by his residence. I think it's Titus.
Spend the night and I will make it worth your while. Let's build a life that we can both live out in style. Come into the light, don't you think to run a mile. If you spend the night with me, I will make it worth your while. Oh, and best time.
Okay.
Hey. And we're about to go to dinner. I love this
At
song.
Fantasia Garden.
We're gonna mini
And there's
golf.
mini golfing there.
And fireworks.
And dancing.
And dancing and food.
So, I'm happy.
And best time in me, 'cause I am risk free. We can make this work.
It's looking good out here.
Swear